Welcome to Western Disposal. Are you one of the more than 20,000 plus businesses or residents in Boulder County who has made a commitment to composting? If so, have you ever wondered what happens to that material once the truck pulls away? Well, today we're going to go behind the scenes to see how compost is made. Owned and operated by Western since 2001, our compost yard is located on 63rd Street just north of Arapahoe. It is the only state-permitted Class II composting facility in Boulder County. On this 7-acre pad, we process over 18,000 tons of organic material, turning out 20,000 cubic yards of compost each year. All material is collected from local businesses and residents, and no manures or biosolids are included in our feedstock. Western's feedstock is made exclusively of locally collected food scraps, yard waste, compostable bags, and compostable containers. This combination provides the proper balance of green, organic materials, such as grass clippings and food scraps, which provide nitrogen, and brown organic materials, including dry leaves, wood chips, and branches, which are primarily carbon. Compost is made by microorganisms breaking down organic material. It is a living process. Microorganisms aren't added to the material. They arrive naturally because we give them what they need to thrive: food, water, air, and a place to live. Soon after the collected material is deposited in the yard, processing begins. The first step is grinding. Grinding speeds up the process by mixing the material and increasing the surface area on which the microorganisms can feed. Smaller particles also improve pile insulation to help maintain optimum temperatures. A 2-inch grind is ideal for keeping air flowing freely through the pile. Once grinding is complete, a front-end loader builds long rows, called windrows. Now we're ready to start cooking. Keeping the pile alive and actively digesting is the job of the windrow turner. Windrows are mixed and aerated several times during the 5 to 6 month composting process, maintaining optimal moisture, airflow, and temperature. Microorganisms living in a compost pile need adequate moisture to thrive. Water is key because it helps transport microbes within the compost pile and helps make the nutrients in organic material accessible for their digestion. Microorganisms generate heat in their digestive process, but do require a certain temperature range for optimal activity. Temperatures between 131 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit promote rapid composting and destroy pathogens and weed seeds. It's the ideal mix of feedstock, aeration, and moisture content that maintains the temperature sweet spot. After 4 to 5 months in a windrow, temperatures drop below 125 degrees Fahrenheit, signaling that digestion is nearing completion. The material is then formed into a finishing pile to cure for another 30 days. In the final step, the compost is screened to remove large pieces and passed across a dual vacuum system to remove smaller scraps of plastic contaminants and other fragments that did not break down. The final product is a rich, loamy soil amendment, sometimes referred to as black gold because of the many benefits it provides, such as increasing the soil's capacity to hold moisture, regenerating depleted soils, and improving soil structure. Compost can be purchased in 50-pound bags or in bulk by the cubic yard at Western's Trash and Recycle Center. Western's compost carries the U.S. Composting Council's seal of testing assurance and is suitable for use in tree, shrub, garden, and lawn applications. For more information on using or purchasing local compost from Western, give us a call at 303-444-2037 or visit us online at www.westerndisposal.com.